So AmeriSat has done a lot of different properties here in downtown San Diego, mostly luxury condos, but also a lot of affordable housing. And this is one here is under construction right now, where we've come in actually during the construction phase and installed the satellite dish, run all the cables vertically down to the first floor, and each one of those closets on each floor we install a distribution system that allows each one of the tenants or homeowners to come in and use either Dish or DirecTV or use that off-air system in their home.